Imagine this, a vibrant, active life well into your 80s or even 90s, with a mind as sharp as it was in your 30s. No memory gaps, no confusion, just clear, focused thinking every single day. What if I told you that part of the secret to achieving this might already be sitting in your kitchen? A small jar, often overlooked, holding the power to change the way your brain ages. Sound intriguing? Stay tuned, because this isn't just another health tip. It's a science-backed game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the wonders of turmeric, the golden spice that's as versatile as it is powerful. If you've ever enjoyed a curry or sipped on a golden milk latte, you've already experienced its earthy warmth. But turmeric is much more than a culinary delight. It's your brain's best friend in the fight against Alzheimer's, dementia, and cognitive decline. The power of curcumin, turmeric's secret weapon. The magic of turmeric lies in curcumin, its active compound that's been the subject of countless scientific studies. Why all the buzz? Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are critical for maintaining brain health. Think of inflammation as a slow, smoldering fire in your brain over time. It damages neurons and creates the perfect storm for diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin steps in like a firefighter, calming the flames and protecting your precious gray matter. But that's just the beginning. Curcumin also tackles one of Alzheimer's most notorious culprits, amyloid plaques. These sticky protein clusters disrupt communication between brain cells, leading to memory loss and confusion. Curcumin doesn't just slow down their formation, it actively helps break them down, keeping your neurons healthy and connected. Even more impressive, curcumin boosts levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BNF, a protein that's essential for learning, memory, and overall brain plasticity. As we age, BNF levels naturally decline, but curcumin helps reverse this trend, essentially acting as a fertilizer for your brain cells. Turmeric's global impact on brain health. If you need more convincing, consider this. Populations in India, where turmeric is a dietary staple, have significantly lower rates of Alzheimer's compared to the rest of the world. While genetics and lifestyle play a role, researchers believe turmeric's widespread use in their cuisine is a key factor. It's no wonder this spice has been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries as a brain tonic, making turmeric part of your daily life. So, how can you harness the power of turmeric? The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Morning kickstart, add a teaspoon of turmeric to your smoothie for a subtle, earthy twist. Lunch and dinner boost, sprinkle it over roasted vegetables, stir it into soups, or use it as a seasoning for rice and quinoa. Golden milk latte, mix turmeric with almond or oat milk, a touch of honey, and a dash of cinnamon for a warm, comforting drink. Spice blends, make your own seasoning mix with turmeric, black pepper, cumin, and paprika for a versatile brain-boosting addition to any dish. And here's the secret to unlocking turmeric's full potential: black pepper. The compound piperine found in pepper increases curcumin's absorption by a staggering 2,000%. So, always pair the two for maximum benefit. Turmeric beyond brain health. Turmeric isn't just good for your mind, it's a multitasking marvel. It supports heart health by reducing inflammation in blood vessels, eases arthritis symptoms by soothing joint pain, and even improves digestion by promoting bile production. And if you're looking for a natural way to brighten your skin, turmeric's antibacterial properties can help with that too. Lifestyle synergy, pairing turmeric with healthy habits. Of course, turmeric alone isn't a magic bullet. Its benefits shine brightest when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, quality sleep, and mental stimulation all play crucial roles in brain health. Think of turmeric as the star player on a team of habits that work together to keep you sharp and vibrant. Safety first, what to watch out for. As amazing as turmeric is, a little goes a long way. Excessive consumption can lead to stomach upset or interfere with certain medications, especially blood thinners. Stick to about 1-2 teaspoons per day, and always consult your doctor if you're unsure. The bigger picture, small changes, big impact. Incorporating turmeric into your routine is a small change with potentially life-changing benefits. But it's not just about preventing disease, it's about thriving, maintaining your independence, and enjoying a life filled with clarity and joy.